Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. Today is Christmas Eve and we are celebrating Christmas in Nashville this year. If you guys have been with my channel and you were around this time last year, we were up in Michigan with Jaywaz's family for Christmas. So this is Jason's first Christmas in Nashville away from his family and we're very sad, but we're excited to be here. We've got Riley here with us as well at Grandma's house. Riley needs to put her Christmas sweater on. But tonight, we just got back from our Christmas Eve church service and now we are making breakfast for dinner. Grandma's ironing Christmas tablecloths. Mom's over there in the corner. Hello. But we're at their house right now. So they've got this pretty tree. They don't do a real tree, but that's okay. They've got all the gifts around it. And then all of the fun little memory ornaments. This is me with bangs. Riley, is it time to eat?
Christmas Eve. Cantaloupe. Down.
Down. Good girl.
Festivus. Maple bacon.
Ooh, Santa Claus.
Okay, good girl.
Good girl. Mom's making Loveless Cafe buttermilk biscuits. You guys come to Nashville.
You
the
got
biscuits are the best.
And you're making the potatoes right now?
And I'm gonna make the potatoes.
Alright, Riley's getting her reindeer costume over. Hi, Riley. Riley, girl. Hi.
We just gotta show them. Yay!
Riley, you stand so still.
So now I'm finally getting around to wrapping my presents on Christmas Eve. Got my cute little wrapping paper from Minted here. Gone to bed and Jaywaz and I are breaking into the wine and more importantly the sparkling grape juice because you know your girl can't have alcohol, but he's got a nice red. I've got a nice red as well, but we're gonna go sit out on the front porch because it's actually a really nice night. Welcome in Christmas Day.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Rain, snowing and blowing, a bushel of fun.
It's Christmas! Yeah. Merry Christmas from the Wozniak and Hall family. And Riley decided to go for a little outfit change this morning, didn't ya? Did you change your sweater into a more festive look? Someone is no longer a reindeer, but a sweater reindeer. She's so bitter, but she looks cute. You look good, Rye. Did you get a gift from Grandma?
They're yours.
Look! Merry Finally got real clothes on because the entire family is here now. We do Christmas with all of my extended family because we all live in Nashville, and Jayla's has not been used to a big extended family Christmas. Thanks, Mom. Wait,
Hey, yeah, you like it?
Looks good.
Hi there.
We really cleaned up that white elephant.
Yeah, dude, I'm freaking rich.
Chick-fil-A gift cards. And little anthropology candle. It's definitely hard to film around all the fam because it's a lot going on. Good morning. It is the day after Christmas, and yesterday we basically just went home and I slept and Jaywaz did some music stuff. Then we played Roller Coaster Tycoon for a while. Basically ate like popcorn chips for dinner, and now
chocolate Lindo drop.
yeah, so we are getting our life together now, and we're on our way to the gym, and then we're gonna go to Home Depot, pick up some paint. We're gonna do a little bit of like sprucing up around the place and just try to like get ready for the new year and clean out some stuff, as well as repaint his studio back to white out here at the Home Depot. So I am going no makeup today because I'm just painting and we're working around the house. So all I bought on is the Glossier Super Glow, which is their vitamin C serum, and I'm almost out of this, so I need to open up my new one. And then I also have on the Glossier Super Bounce, and then their priming moisturizer, so I'm going barefaced today. Today we are painting Jason's room. We painted this wall when he moved in, but he wants it all white, so we're painting it back to white. And then I'm also gonna be painting a wall downstairs in our kitchen. Thought like the whole dark wall would be really good, and in some rooms it is, but we don't have a ton of light in the kitchen, so the dark wall just kind of makes it feel really small.
Forgetting how to slow down, and I never wanna be without you, baby, without you, baby. Oh, no, it doesn't have to be complex. Lay with my head on your chest, drive it slow, it's so back roads.
Okay, so while upstairs is drying, I'm gonna start painting our kitchen wall and then go back upstairs and do another coat. So painting over this dark blue is not the easiest, so I think I'm gonna have to do like 3 coats.
Alright guys, unshowered, unedited, Jaywaz takes over the channel. I am showered actually. I wanted to give you a little update. I put together this grill and now I will show it to you. Alright, thanks for watching my segment where I show you guys the grill that I built. Back to Chloe, yeah.
So tell me how you feel, 'cause there ain't nothing better now that I got you. You give me something real. I'm never gonna let you down, let you down. Now I got you.
We have got some guac going on right now. Cooking up some onion and pepper because we're making brats. Jaywaz is out here using the new grill. Toasted up some buns, I see. I've got one more coat to do in here, one more coat to do upstairs. We are so close. I think we're gonna take this picture down and then get a shelf that's gonna go in there, like a big kind of pantry. And then over here, we're gonna do some like vertical photos. Looking good, honey. But we're excited to kind of start the new year with a clean slate with this place and just kind of make it look nice. So
Excited to start the new year with pop chips.
we also have a serious problem with pop chips or popcorners,
Please sponsor us.
and I'm trying to get sponsored.
We're spending all of our money.
Popcorners, if you're watching this, we're trying to get sponsored by during 2020. So if you can tell, we have a real problem.
I've actually lost 2 pounds. I've been substituting meals with pop chips.
Yes.
It feels great.
The splotchy light makes it hard to know if I've got it right or not. It makes it look like I did a horrible job of painting. Can you tell that it's 2 different color whites? 6 hours later and we're done. 4 coats on each room. Luckily I only had to paint 1 wall per room. I can't imagine having to paint the entire room. But we finished a lot later than expected, so tomorrow we're gonna be going through all of our closets and rooms and stuff and like purging things that we don't want anymore, because like next year we really want to try to like minimize the things in this place because for some reason it just gets really cluttered. That's all we're doing tonight, and I will see you in the morning. Okay, so it is the next day, and this morning I got up, got ready, and then went to lunch with my family for my birthday, which is on the 29th, but we celebrated it early, and I just wanted to kind of share with you a couple things that I got for Christmas and for my birthday because I feel like you guys would want to know about this. So the first thing that I got for Christmas from Jason, and they are a pair of Doc Martens, and I am so excited. This is my first pair of Docs ever, and I decided to get the platform ones because you guys know I'm 5'2", very short. Jason is 6'6", so I need all the height I can get. So these are them, and they're so comfortable. I thought I was gonna have to like really break these in, but I wore them all day on Christmas Day, and I haven't had like any problems. So they're super comfortable. They don't do half sizes, so I just got my normal size, which they are like the tiniest bit big, but I wear them with like some thick socks, and they're perfect. So got these, and I love them. I really like that they're the platform though, because you get the heel height, but they're not uncomfortable because they're not really a heel. I think it's like a ½ inch actual heel. How stinking cute are these? And the leather on these is really cool because it's not like the plasticky like original leather. It's like a different kind. And then my cousin got me some skincare from Beauty Counter, which I really love their products. I just try so many out that I don't ever get around to purchasing them, but I have like an eyeshadow palette from them, which I love. I have a couple masks from them that I really like, and I don't sell Beauty Counter, so I'm gonna link these down below, but I'm gonna include her link. The first thing is the brightening facial oil, and this is the vitamin C product that I've been really wanting to try. Right now I've been using Glossier Super Glow. I think that was in this vlog, duh. I should do you guys my empty of that because I've been using it non-stop, so I'm really excited about this. This one is their facial oil, and I actually tried out a little bit from my cousin, and I really loved it, and so she got me my own little bottle. So super excited to have that and include it into my skincare. The next thing is a peptide serum. This is a radiant serum, and I believe this is a new product from them, but this one is to improve firmness and reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and it is a kind of hydrating radiant serum. And so I just love the packaging. And then the last little thing that she got was this Beauty Counter. I think these are like cult favorites skincare set, and there's a bunch of little miniatures in here. So it comes with these guys, and this is their cleansing balm. So usually it comes in like a tub, but this is an actual stick. It kind of looks like a deodorant, but it just melts away your makeup. And then it also comes with a resurfacing peel, which my cousin said was really good, so I'm excited to try that one out. It has the charcoal mask. It also comes with a tiny little brightening facial oil, which is that first thing that I showed y'all. So, and then the last thing is a pair of shoes that my mom got for my birthday, and they are the Everlane boots, and these are their Chelsea boot. They have the kind of like elastic through the front. They are a square toe, and they're the most beautiful things I've ever seen. The leather on them is stunning, and then the bottoms are like so pretty. So these are super well made, and I'm obsessed with them. They said that they run like narrow, so a lot of people were like size up, but I put these on with my like thicker socks and they worked for me. So maybe if you have like narrower feet, get your size, and then if you have like wider feet, maybe size up. I really love these, and I had a pair of these Solo Chelsea boots that I liked, but they were a pretty low ankle, so I love that these have that high ankle like my Fry boots, and I've just always wanted a pair of Everlane shoes, so I'm super excited about these. They come in brown and a couple other colors, so I'm gonna link them down below for you guys, but that's basically just all I wanted to show you. Apparently black boots were at the top of my list for things this year, so we are finally purging, going through things in our bedside tables first, and we're gonna do basically everything in this entire place and see what we need, what we don't, what's just taking up space. So like old cases, we've got bags and little shoes and bells and lots of glasses, some moisturizer gloves. When am I ever gonna use these? Never. I don't even know what this charges.
You want a lower bar from TV?
You've got snacks in your bedside table? A little Polaroid I forgot I had. I have a thumb drive. What could possibly be on a thumb drive? So now it's time to check what is under the bed. We've got steamer. Okay, this map poster thing needs to go. I've been telling myself I'm gonna hang that up forever. So our place doesn't have very much storage like at all, and so we store everything under the bed, under the dresser. We also just have a lot of random things, like suitcases obviously have to stay. Time to just like see what's under here. Like these we don't need. This we don't need. This is like a pencil pouch from like middle school that I have that I could donate. Gosh, I have a lot of pencils that I did not know I had. It's funny, like you just don't realize the things that you have. Like I didn't know I had all these until you start like seeing it, because when it's under the bed you just forget about it and then you buy new when you already had it. Straps to my Eno that I can't find, but I'm gonna keep it just in case I find my Eno. Ink cartridges, didn't know I had these. Very happy I found those. And this is presentation board from college. So I finally did it. I put all of my jewelry in my jewelry box that I got like 2 years ago for my birthday, and I just never put it in there because I don't know why. I just always had it sitting on this tray collecting dust. But you guys would be so proud of me because look how clean it looks. So you open it up and it has all my rings, all my tiny earrings, and all my most worn earrings. Obviously lots of gold. And then some of my like statement earrings down here. And then these are like my big kind of chunky costume jewelry. Finally clean. Good morning. It is the next day. I am in bed because I woke up with food poisoning, and my original goal today was to finish up the cleaning and organizing, but I have had some unfortunate events happen and I am unable to stand up because I might just get sick. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. If you enjoyed watching it though, please give it a big thumbs up and just leave me a comment down below saying hey. I'm hoping this will pass before my birthday, just on Sunday, I guess tomorrow when this video goes live. So I'm just trying to like rest so that I can enjoy my birthday tomorrow. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Stick around, I promise I'm not sick all the time. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.